Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Destiny, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this cute little style using flexi rods and some cute little clips. So if you want to look like me, keep watching.
Just take our chance.
All right, you guys, so this style is honestly super simple. All you're gonna need is about 6 flexi rods. If you have a bigger head than me, I have a small head, so if you have a bigger head than me, then you'll probably need 8. These flexi rods, the small ones, are my favorite. I feel like they're just the best for bouncier curls, but they can also give you like looser curls depending on how many you use. So I'm gonna link the specific ones I have down below, and they're pink and they're cute, and they come with a lot or whatever, and they come with a comb and everything else. So yeah, so what you're gonna need for this is some flexi rods, some mousse. I'm using the Dippity Doo Girls with Curls mousse. I'll link the mousse down below, but this is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna use this edge control, so you can just use any edge control, any moves. Like, I don't always use the same products each time, so it's just really up to you. So the first thing I'm gonna do is section off the back pieces of my hair, because I'm gonna start with the back. This is about how much hair you're gonna need left out. Not that much, but not too little at the same time. Your hair doesn't have to be a fresh or nothing. Like, this honestly works best on like blow dried hair or hair that's, you know, like you haven't done it in a few days. Like, you can tell my hair hasn't been touched in a couple days, and that's like the best hair to do it on. So make sure you get your hair not just too wet to the point where it's like stringy with the mousse, but a good amount, okay? Like, don't be stingy with the mousse. This is how it should look. Make sure it's straight, pretty straight. And then take it on top of the hair, push down, and wrap on top of the flexi rod like this. Super simple. And you're gonna make sure that you put a lot of mousse on the ends of your hair. If you're like me and you don't want to look crazy or that crazy while having these flexi rods in, I kind of like to, before I do the top part, I like to put like edge control around my edges like this, and then just brush it up with the brush part, just so like your hair won't be all frizzy around it. And plus, whenever you take it down, this will really help it look better, like off rip as well too. And you don't have to do this, but I'm also gonna do my part like in between, like on each side of my part, just to get that flat and make sure it looks good. And you see, like, now you have a flatter base. Like, it's gonna look much better when you take it down than what it would have before. So this is optional. Good morning, it's the next day, and we're back to take these flexi rods out. So the first thing I'm gonna do, obviously, is start with the back. I'm gonna unravel it a little bit and then just add a little bit of this shine spray. You can use oil, but I like using this, so that's what I'm gonna do. I feel like it makes my hair a little less oily, so I kind of like to put it on my hand and then unravel the flexi rod and kind of do this with the product, because I don't want it to be too greasy, but I want it to look like nice and shiny, nice and healthy. And then I just repeat that process throughout my whole head. Make sure when you're taking these down, you're being gentle though, because you don't want to unravel the curl. If y'all, yeah, so you can tell I wrapped this in better than this one, but it should be okay. I don't know what it is about this side of my hair. It never, like, the end never does as good as this one on the bottom, but it's definitely better than last time. So, well, the first time. Same process.
Don't wanna come my side. I've been staying out the way. Few acts I ain't been straight, but on my mama and my gang, wanna put it in their face. Show 'em I ain't come to play, but I can't come outside.
Okay, that was all of them. That was all of them. Coda, please be quiet. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit more of this, just a little bit. I don't want my hair to be greasy, but I don't want my hair to be like dry either. So like just get your hands a little bit with it and just go over your whole head like this, just to miss any parts you didn't get. So now I'm going to start unraveling the hair. Don't, you know, do too much until you get to the end, because you have to see how you want it from how it turns out originally. But yeah, so just keep unraveling it. And you see how like using like a little bit less flexi rods is actually like a really good idea. I'm telling you, when I do too many, it turns out so bad. And then you see how us putting the edge control up here really helped too, especially because like my hair wasn't fresh, so it wasn't as straight. So that just really helped it just look more uniform. And the way that I flexi rodded the back, I mean the front, towards a different way than I did the rest of the hair, so it would look cute in the front. And just keep unraveling to your desired outcome. Like if you want yours to be a little bit more fluffy, don't forget the back. Do the back as well. The back is very important for fluffiness. And just, this is how it's looking, and I'm really feeling it. It's really cute. So a cute style I like to do these days is these clips. I'll link them down below, but I love just adding clips. You can just Google them on Amazon, or I'll link some on Amazon, but I'll also put these specific ones that I have too. They're from Dry Bar, but they're so cute, like literally so cute. And I just like adding them to any style nowadays, and it just makes it look so like so much girlier, so much cuter, and just like not so basic of a hairstyle. But I'm just gonna do my edges. But you see how I was telling y'all, like I really don't even need to do my edges though. That's what's crazy. But like because of the fact that we tamed them the night before, like that technique is so good and rewarding because it's really hard for me to do my edges after I've flexi rodded my hair sometimes. So this makes it easier if you are gonna do them, and then it makes you not really have to do them. But I'm a baby hair girl, so I like baby hairs. I like how they look. I'm sure all of us damn near do, but if you don't, you can do this either way. It look cute both ways, but not too much baby hair, just something simple today. You can add your clips back. Oh wait, wrong way. Wrong way. Is this proportionate? Well, all right, you guys, so thanks for watching this video. If you guys want me to try another style, I will definitely do that, because I'm definitely into the natural styles right now. So just let me know if you want me to try something else. This is the result. It's really cute, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.